Hello guys, welcome to Instagram Live of Football Geek for the post-match discussion of Bengaluru FC versus FC Goa दुरांत कप सेमीफाइनल। एंड यहाँ पर दुरांत कप के सेमीफाइनल में बेंगलुरु एफसी हार गई है और एफसी गोवा फाइनल में पहुंच गई है एंड दे आर गोइंग टू फेस Mohammedan FC there, but quite upset for Bengaluru FC because यंगस्टर्स थे अगेंस्ट एक्सपीरियंस्ड प्लेयर्स ऑफ एफसी गोवा, मगर तब भी इतनी अच्छी फाइट दी और एंड में दे मिस्ड अ चांस टू गेट इनटू द फाइनल. फीलिंग क्वाइट सैड फॉर द लास्ट पेनल्टी टेकर. ही इज नॉट इवन 18 years old. And Kelvin Abhishek and Siam Hangal will be joining me, former BFC players, and they will be joining me to discuss about today's match. Once they join this live, I will add them to this Instagram live. Quite upset for Bengaluru FC, being Bengaluru FC fan myself, because they have given so much in this game. They came back from behind. They played really well in this game, and against FC Goa, who were playing their first team in this match in the Durand Cup, and still Bengaluru FC reserve team youngsters gave such a good fight, and there were mistakes from both the teams, but we will discuss that. I'm waiting for Siam and Kelvin to join me, and once they join us, we will get into the post-match discussion of the match. Do you think that Goa deserved to win today? Let me know in the comment section, and if you have any question for Siam or Kelvin, please post it in the comment section. We will be answering them today, and you can ask anything to both of them and they will answer it, because I will make sure of that. So Bengaluru FC and FC Goa, they played a match today and it was 2-2 at the end of 90 minutes. The first goal came in the first minute from Siva Shakti because of the mistake of Naveen, the goalkeeper of FC Goa, and then FC Goa also scored in 7th or 8th minute. Devender ने score किया and it was Nemel who assisted that goal, and then again FC Goa scored another goal, but then Bengaluru FC got one back again and the score went to 2-2 because of the mistake of Naveen, the goalkeeper of FC Goa. But then match went to extra time because both the teams failed to capitalize on their chances. Both the team got chances. एडू बेटिया ने मिस किया बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी और बेंगलुरु एफसी ने भी मिस करी बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी यहाँ पर. बट दोनों के कोशिश अगर आप देखो तो बेंगलुरु एफसी ने ज्यादा कोशिश की. आज इंजरीज भी बहुत ज्यादा हुई हैं. अराउंड 7 to 8 players got out of the match because of injury. I am waiting for Kelvin and Siam to join me because I have to discuss a lot of things with them, and they will be joining me soon, so stay tuned. Today's FC Goa goalkeeping was too poor. Completely agree, Pushkar. Like, there is no doubt about it, because literally Naveen made mistake in both the goals. The first goal was no chance, like he should have done that at the last moment. He's passing and Shiva Sakti is like so close to him, and even in the second goal it went right above his hand. I don't know why he was not prepared for it, but that was a very poor goalkeeping from I would say from Naveen there. And Kelvin himself, being a goalkeeper, will be answering few questions related to that. Kelvin is here, let me add him. And I'm also waiting for Siam to join us as well. So Kelvin is here. How are you, my man?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How's quarantine? Where is our Siam Bhai? Siam Bhai, let me check.
Must have slept already, I guess.
Uh, Hopefully will come soon. So you saw the match. Naveen made like two mistakes. Both the goals came because of him. Uh, what is your opinion about like both of those goals, especially the first one, like making that pass when Shiva Sakti was such close to him? So what is your opinion about both the goals?
I think the first goal, he should clear the ball on his first touch. Because, when a striker is pressing on you, you really have no time to take another touch and then pass the ball. So usually what we learn as goalkeepers, when there's pressure on you, clear it first time. Your safety is more important than making a blunder right there. And the second goal, I think he took his eyes off the ball, and that's what caused that Butterfinger incident. Because usually, if you have your eyes on the ball, you at least parry it away back into danger, but at least you can make the first save. So I think he could have done a little more better, but towards the end, it was his heroic that saved FC Goa.
Yeah,
So we
man.
really
But
can't blame him now.
that last one was such a poor penalty because I was sitting with Sayed and I was telling him, bro, he's gonna miss it. And he missed it, man. And I feel such sad for him because I was telling him because it's not.
Two things. Bad luck you have.
So I was saying, like, he's such a kid, man. Like, he's not even 18, and taking that penalty in such pressure situation, like, you always get into such situation where you will miss it. And I'm feeling sad for him because this is going to haunt him for a long time. Like, you had a chance to go and get into the final, but you missed it.
Yeah, I mean, same thing happened to Bukayo Saka also, no, in the
Yeah,
Euro Cup.
Europe.
So I don't think it's gonna haunt him because he's still learning. He's still a young kid. This is only gonna teach him to, gain more confidence, and yeah, that way it's really gonna help him to brighten up his future. Because this incident is, I mean, it's gonna affect the team, but personally, I feel it's gonna help him because this is gonna teach him a lot.
Where is Chacha? We want to see Chacha. Bro, Chacha will come on video call, not here.
Syam,
So Siam
bye.
Bhai is also with us. Welcome, Siam Bhai.
Hi.
So how are you feeling about Bengaluru FC? They missed a chance to get into the final.
I think they played a good match. They should be proud of themselves because they are a youth team and
Yeah.
still making it to the top four is very good achievement for them. So
So
there is
at your time when you were with Bengaluru FC, like from 2013 2016, when they were getting better in their competition. So at that time also youth was this good, or they have focused more on youth now?
I think this question will be more for Kelvin, I think, because that time
So Kelvin, you tell, what do you think? You came from the youth academy of Bengaluru FC. What do you think?
I mean, they used to focus on the youth back then, but I think now they're giving them more exposure to the Durand Cup and other leagues and cups. But back then when I was there, it was only I-League under 19, and that's the only cup we played. And apart from that, it was the Bangalore Super Division, while the remaining tournaments were played by the senior team. So I think now they're focusing more on the young lads because I think it's better to make them and train them into a better individual and as players than buying foreigners from outside and buying players outside. It's better to actually get your own academy players into the main team.
Siam Bhai, what do you think? It was a good decision from Bengaluru FC to take reserve team instead of their first team players, because Kerala Blasters and FC Goa, both of them took their first team. It was only Bengaluru FC who took their reserve team. What do you think about it?
for me, as a personal thought, I think it's good. It's good for the young team to get exposure because this kind of tournament they can mature their game. They can get uh, they can get to play along with some senior players and mature their game. So I think it's a good decision for them to make this youth team to play the Durand Cup.
I would like to tell our friends that if you have any question for Siam or Kelvin, please shoot it in the comment section. They will be answering it here. Anything you can ask. So Siam bhai, how's quarantine going on? First of all, let's come to that.
The best part of quarantine. The best part is this. I'm just bored. I'm just kidding. It's boring. It's boring. Just
Yeah,
one day
man.
left.
All of us are
One more day
bored.
already
We are
left.
just waiting like one more day to this quarantine to end,
Yeah,
and then we can chill together.
yeah.
So, uh, Kelvin, apart from Naveen, what do you think about Lara? Like, how was he today?
Man,
Uh,
he was brave. He was brave. No, even if you notice the penalties, he made the right decisions, even though there were a couple of them were on the wrong side. But otherwise, he at least made an effort to go, make those saves or put an effort to dive. But I think Naveen could have done much better on the penalties because he was just standing and waiting for them to strike the ball. It was more like them putting pressure on him than should be the other way around.
Yeah.
exactly.
But again, man, I can't. I mean, I can't say anything. No comments because the last penalty he saved, and I mean, he was the hero of the game for me.
Hero. After like making two blunders, he became the hero
Yeah,
at the end.
yeah.
I
So
think he does.
Joy is saying, which club are you playing for? So Siam and Kelvin will be representing Madan Maharaj Football Club in the I-League qualifiers starting from 4th October. Joy. So Kelvin bhai, what do you think about today's match? Like both the teams missed a lot of chances. They couldn't capitalize on a lot of chances. Is it normal in Indian football, or do you think like they were making too much mistake because of the weather of Kolkata? You have practiced in the Kolkata yourself, so what do you think?
Um, I fairly thought it was a good game because these boys are very young. Most of them are very young, and to perform against a team from an ISL statute is going to be a lot of pressure on them. But they did fairly good because both the goals they scored were pretty good pressure on the Goan side, and I think they could have scored more than a lot of opportunities which they couldn't convert. But again, it's because of the pressure. But I mean, a semi-final should be like this, where you go in extra time and then penalties. It's good for the fans like us to watch and to keep our nerves racking.
Siam bhai, do you think Bengaluru FC deserved to win today's game, considering they played young players in comparison to the like foreigners and experienced players from Goa FC?
I think how they played. I think Goa deserved to win more because they created more chances. They missed more chances, miss more opportunity. But I think they fought well as a youth team. They fought till the end and they took it to penalty shootout. I think they did really good job today, and they should be proud of themselves.
So, Kelvin, there is a question for you. Simranjeet is saying, Kelvin, how was your quarantine?
And you will see the video coming up. My quarantine is going to be up very soon. It's good. I mean, we have our sessions going on, online sessions, to keep all the players fit and fine. Except for the food, I think everything else is amazing.
Right.
I need extra food, man. I need extra food. One plate
You can
fine.
always tell them, I think.
Bro, by the time they bring it, my lunch is done. I have to wait till the evening for them to bring up the plate.
The ready meal is gone. The ready meal
Yeah,
is
it's
gone.
gone. The hunger is gone.
When they give you, at that time also you should tell. Saurabh Das is asking, how are you, bro, Kelvin?
Dada, how are you? I'm good. I'm good. Man, I miss you so much. I miss you, Leo.
He was with us. So, Kelvin bhai, apart from the goalkeeping, do you think Bengaluru FC played well today? Like,
Yeah.
leaving the blunders apart, like Naveen blunders, keeping them aside, do you think Bengaluru played well today?
Yeah, they played well. I mean, they deserve to win. I mean, I was always supporting BFC because I'm a Bangalore boy, and
Same here.
my heart is always there for them. uh, yeah, I think they deserve to win. They played really well. They fought really well, and for that, you have to let them, give them the credits. But football is like that. One team wins, one team loses. But on the whole, I think Bengaluru deserve to win. That's for me.
Siam bhai, this Nemil, Mohammad Nemil, he got a lot of hype in Durand Cup. Today also he provided the first assist. What do you think the hype around him? Like, is he that good? Do we like should we give that much hype to him, or is it like we should keep him like quiet and say that yeah, like give him chance, give him more time to adapt and get better?
I think for me, it's an early stage to just give the hype that he was getting now. I didn't watch his game that much, but today match I watched his game. So today match I don't think he played how the hype was, how he got the hype was. Apart from the assist, he didn't play that much. I don't think so in this match. But other match, I think he played well. In today's match, I think he should have done much better than the others.
Siam bhai, what would you think about the last guy who missed the penalty? He's 18-year-old, like not 18 also, less than 18. Uh, Missing that crucial penalty at that crucial point when your team is going into the final. What message would you send it to him?
I think he has the courage to go and take up the penalty. He's a brave young kid, and he has a lot of things to learn in the coming future. And he should be very proud of himself, and he should think this mistake will bring him much more positive things in the coming career. So I don't think he should take into his heart that I missed the penalty because of me we lose the game. I think he's very brave brave kid. In the future also, I think he'll do a great job.
So, do you think Bengaluru FC is moving in the right direction? Because recently Naushad Musa said that we don't want to buy players. We want to invest in the youth so that these youth come into our senior team and make the senior team better. Siam bhai, is that a right direction Bengaluru FC is moving on?
Yeah, I think it's a good direction because as how Kelvin said, instead of buying foreign players, they're investing in youth teams, nurturing it, and playing this exposure tournament. So it's a good bright future for BFC because they are investing in their youth so much, and they're very matured. You see how they played, defending, attacking, how they played. They're very good, and I think they've done a good job today.
So Kelvin, last season you saw Bengaluru FC in the ISL. They had a really poor performance. Like from so many years, they have been going so well in the ISL in the Indian football. But last season was quite poor for them. But this season they have signed players and they have invested a lot in the youth. We can see in the reserve in the Durand Cup. Uh, do you think that this time in the ISL and like whatever tournaments, upcoming tournaments, Bengaluru FC will perform better?
Yeah, I feel they will perform better. I mean, with Sunil Bhai leading the team and with his experience, the young kids can learn a lot from it. Um, Last season was a little bad for them, but I'm hoping this season will be good and all the Bengaluru fans will have a good game to watch. And I hope they win the ISL this season. That's about it.
uh, Question first for Siam bhai, then for Kelvin. Same question. It's for Madan Maharaj because you both are going to represent Madan Maharaj now. What do you think about the team for the I-League qualifiers? Do you think you guys have that quality that to go and win the I-League qualifiers this season or get into the second round of I-League qualifiers? Siam bhai first.
I think we have prepared enough to go to the last stage. So our quality is good. So we just need a little bit more time. So we still have time to improve. So I think we can make it, and if we try our best, and yeah.
Kelvin.
We had very less time during the preseason. To get all new players and make a team out of it was a really hard task. But I think the management and the coach has done a good job so far with the preseason games we've had, and I think we've done a really good. We've had really good performance over the last few games, especially the last game which we won against an I-League club. So there was a really good confidence booster for all the boys. And with players like Shambai, Mehta Bhai, and Abhishek Das and all, I think we young boys can learn a lot from them because in a team we need leaders like them where they share their experience, and we can learn a lot from their teachings. So I feel like our team is ready for the I-League qualifiers, and I'm sure the boys are confident to push it forward to the next round.
So I don't think there is question from other guys. So last question for both of you. One more day for quarantine to end. What are you looking forward to do after this quarantine ends? Siam
Can I
bhai.
answer first? Can I answer first? Please, please, please.
Yeah, sorry
Answer.
first. Yeah,
Go
I
ahead.
miss the
first. Yeah.
Bangalore weather, man.
I can feel you, man. I can feel you.
Yeah, I miss the Bangalore weather so much. And it's been pouring in the evening also. Not even able to go out and stand. That's what I'm going to look forward to the first thing when I get out. I'm not coming back
Siam
inside
bhai.
for
Oh,
a
yeah, same here. Just want to enjoy
Same.
the air in Bangalore. It's fresh, huh? More, I think it's much better than Kolkata.
Yeah,
No
Oh,
doubt, bhai. No doubt. You are seeing that from
man.
inside your room. I think it's raining daily. It's cloudy since morning.
yeah. But it's quite
Uh,
the same now because in Kolkata also it's raining.
yeah.
Yeah,
But yeah,
the humidity.
Siam bhai, there is
yeah,
one
humidity.
question for you from Simranjeet. Who is the strong team in second division league?
I think as of now we haven't started our second division yet. So after the second division league, you can just decide it. The team whoever wins the tournament will be the strongest. I think so.
Quite good answer. Srijit is asking for Kelvin jersey. Kelvin, send him jersey, man. I don't know who Srijit is, but
This
I
guy.
hope you know.
Sign jersey, please. Sign
But give
jersey.
me your jersey, Sridhar, please. The FCBU goalkeeper, man.
Oh, okay, that guy. Okay.
We'll exchange jerseys.
FCBU, oh, yeah. Most probably we'll be playing them first game. What are you guys looking for? Like, do you think how the game will be? Like, it is going to be a tough game for sure because Bangalore United, they have been playing in Bangalore a lot on that Bangalore Football Stadium. So, Kelvin, what do you think? How that game is going to be?
I don't know, man. I've never played them before from this team's perspective. But it's gonna be a good game. It's gonna be a tough game because both the teams want to win. I mean, it's our first I League experience, but FCB have already been there last year, and they were pretty close to winning the I League qualifiers. But I think this year they're going to come stronger, and I don't think we're nothing less because we are in for it too. So may the best team win.
Also, coming to fun part now, like too much knowledge about matches of Bangalore FC and Goa. What you guys are doing in your quarantine? Like how your day is going, man? Like I'm too tired of like quarantine. It's like fourth day already. I'm like bored out of my mind.
Shyam
Siam bhai.
I'm just doing nothing. WhatsApp, calling my wife, my son.
And just
Sometimes
playing
calling
game.
yeah, just playing games. Yeah.
Not watching anything.
I think Shyam just broke all the girls' hearts here.
Well,
All the lady fans.
By just telling everything.
Wait, what a personal. Keep it with you.
Kelvin, what about you?
I wake up at 6, and then my roommate is the laziest person I've ever come across. Wakes up
Bring
at
him on the screen.
He's busy with his girlfriend talking to her.
Oh.
You got
Yeah, so
girlfriend?
I think I know I'm pretty occupied with the online sessions in the morning, and then after the session I go to sleep and then have lunch, then sleep again, and then session in the evening. That's pretty much it. I was watching Narcos for a bit.
Okay.
Even Shamba insisted me on watching it, so I was watching it for a bit. What about the new show that's come up, man? That Squid Thingy.
I don't have any idea about it. Narcos, the best series movies.
Pablo, bhai.
Yeah, Pablo.
Pablo.
Pablo
So what else you guys are doing apart from like just sleeping and like having bad food?
There's nothing to do, man.
There's nothing else to do. Yeah.
Just watching your phone, scrolling down, scrolling up.
on
Seriously,
the scale
the Squid Game
of 1 to
was
10,
great.
how bored are you
10,
guys?
10, 10, 10, 10.
How bored?
10.
10,
Yeah.
10.
Mine is like cross 10 also, man.
Plus 10. 10 plus 10.
Plus 10, without a doubt.
So any who is saying Squid Game on Netflix is crazy. So yeah, there is suggestion of series for you guys to spend your time in quarantine. Also, Chinmoy is saying Hangal Bhai reminds me of his long rangers in Northeast United and ISL. Uh, Hopefully, we will see one or two long rangers in I-League qualifiers also.
Yeah.
You watching the game tonight, oh?
Yeah, man,
Oh, man.
I have to. Like last night, did you watch Siam Bhai?
It was a
Yeah.
whole game.
So who were you supporting? Like between two World Cup teams.
I wanted City to win.
Messi. No, man, Messi, man.
And
What?
Premier League fan can't support the Farmers League.
Nice hairstyle. Calvin looks sexy. Oh my god.
I think he done.
Yo,
That should come from a girl, but it's coming from a guy, Calvin.
Oh,
this physio is that.
oh,
Physio.
oh, nice hairstyle, yeah.
Shamba, if you didn't tell you were married, he would have been messaging you also the same thing.
Siam bhai put a boundary before itself. Like, yeah, I should not get such
Sorry,
messages.
Syed Anwar, I am taken.
Is he the physio?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's sitting in front of me and like commenting.
You
I
saw
think
what
he
he
must be bored
yesterday? No, he
also.
messaged. He told coach that I was messaging him and asking him the answers.
See, like,
Oh.
why do you have to? Kanwar is typing. Calvin bhai, big fan of you. Please announce my name, please, bhai.
Oh. The man is coming in.
Convert
Calvin bhai,
13. K13. Bhai, I'm very sorry I took your jersey, okay? But I promise to give you. I promise.
so I think we have to end this live here. Really good to chat with you guys. Seeing your face after like 4 days.
Mr.
Hopefully,
Cobb also.
like just waiting to meet you guys after like 1 day, man. Like can't.
Yeah, we'll meet and we'll enjoy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Then we go live together.
Oh, he took your heart.
Bro took my heart.
Oh.
Bhai.
Convert is on fire again.
Dil, bhai, dil. Oh, look at my
One
point.
more comment, bro. Only guys are commenting for Kelvin.
Oh, I have fans. Oh, I have fans.
Yeah.
See,
It's been
that's the
Finally,
goal.
finally, Aniku commented, "Yay, Kelvin Baba, best of luck, kill it."
Thanks, Alex.
Siam bhai, Kelvin has too many fans, huh?
Yeah. It's Bangalore, baby.
The show.
Still no blue tick, huh?
Oh, look who's come. Shamba, look who's come.
The
Ricardo
best for
Cardoso.
your, all the best for your coming matches. Thank you, Saurabh. Kelvin.
Ricardo, bhai.
Ricardo
Ricardo
and
bhai, haha,
Bangalore,
hanga.
they're the same level.
Nang Bunusha. Chalo. Thank you
Okay, thank
guys
you, bye.
for joining this live. I'll see you guys again on live for next match or something, or like just fun. So thank you so much for joining Football Geeks Instagram live, Kelvin and Siambai. See you soon, face to face.
See ya.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining our Instagram live. That's all for today for FC Goa and Bengaluru FC post-match discussion. I hope you enjoyed our live. Do drop a like and comment on the video. Thank you, Siam. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.